Cauliflower Chayote Rice or Cauliflower Mirliton Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the chayote recipes, one of the most unique of the cauliflower recipes. Today we're going to make chayote cauliflower rice. Ingredients are around 100 grams of chayote cut into pieces, 100 grams of cauliflower cut into pieces, pour in 2 spoons of tomato chili sauce, mix the chayote and the cauliflower, and let the chayote and the cauliflower marinate in this mixture for around 30 minutes. And the next ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 5 to 10 shallots, 1 green chilli, 25 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan. And pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the ginger, salt, put in the onion pieces, until the onions lose the pinkish color. Now put in the shallots, salt, thoroughly saute. salt and mix the garlic. Put in the green chili. Put in the tomato pieces. Sometimes mix the tomato pieces. Thoroughly. The rest of the mixture. Thoroughly saute and mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the chayote and the cauliflower that we marinated. And the tomato chili sauce and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the salt thoroughly into the mixture. Pour in 300 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required time, put in cup of washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook for 5 more minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the Chayote cauliflower rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final Cauliflower Chayote Rice or Cauliflower Mirliton Rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.